where are we? We're somewhere in the Tetons. This is first episode. I don't know how many I'm gonna do, but camera lady, disclaimer, camera lady's not here. We have substitute camera guy. So shout out to Alan for hooking me up and saving me, because you guys know how much I hate having to do this by myself. Right now, we're looking for great grays. We just saw some elk this morning. I didn't have time to vlog because we literally pulled over on the side of the road at sunrise and got them. You know what is handy doing vlogs right now? Like out here, because of the bears. Like if you guys ever come out here, like talk a lot. It's like opposite of what you would think for wildlife. But being vocal and talking out here is actually quite good for dealing with bears. So I'm vlogging for you and for the bears. They said, didn't you say that the bears had more? Cindy said there was more activity out here this year, like
recently.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Like than normal.
Yes.
Like there's already been like 11 bear spray discharges or something.
Yep.
That's insane. Ugh. So Alan has his bear spray, but mine was expired, so I didn't have mine. So I need to like not walk too much farther in front of Alan. All right. We're just gonna look around here for some great grays and anything else that we see. Foxes would be nice. Dipper would be nice. Yeah, let's look for dippers over here. Yeah, I have no game plan for this. I have no game plan for this video other than I'm gonna shoot some stuff. Oh, we did get an okay sunset. I got this pano that I did that was like 5 or 6 shots vertical with the R5.2 and the 1:400, and then I got a little time lapse. I don't know if that came out or not. Yeah, all right, we're gonna walk around. I'll show you some elk B-roll in a second, and I'll even figure out what else I need to do. Maybe we'll get some birds. All right, we're just driving back from somewhere to somewhere, I don't know. But the bison are here, so we're gonna get an obligatory shot. They're gonna cross this road here in a little bit. But a couple of them are rolling around, and I wanna see if I can get some of the rolling shots. It's always fun. I like the wind right now, actually, but it makes it kind of hard to vlog, so let me see if I can get a shot for you guys. Oh, where'd the rolly guy go? The bird on his back, that's what I'm here for. If I could get him popping his little head up with the bird on his back. But they're grazing right now, so not the easiest target, not the most interesting target. Where'd that rolly one go? He's done rolling. Where'd the bird go? The bird went off of him. Oh, this guy's coming closer. Is that a bird on his back, or is that a clump of fur? That's fur. Everyone probably thinks I'm an idiot out here with this like giant lens, like trying to shoot bison in like the middle of the day. What's he looking at? Like, I'm actually more interested in the bird on their back than the actual bison right now.
I'm camera lady.
He's substitute camera guy.
Bad lighting. Signs got a shadow on you.
Yeah. I know, it's good for me. Good for me, bad for the footage. I don't see any more birds on them. That's rude. If that guy popped his head up, that would be so good right now. Whoa, bird, bird. You land on that bison. Damn it. Woo. It's windy. It's hard holding this thing. Normally I tell you if it's super windy, I tell you take the lens hood off. But with the sun right now, I really need it on. Even though the sun's at my back. I guess I could take it off. Oh! Whoa. There goes a hat. Hat down. Oh, this guy's looking nice. Oh, he's right next to the pretty flowers. Yeah, you go there. You go there, buddy. Nope. Face down. All right. Yeah. All right, we had to cross the street and get back to the van because they're right behind us. Doesn't look so intense. Oh, look, they're crossing. These guys, they're about ready to roll. Do not pet the fluffy cows and stay at a nice distance. And make sure you have someone watching your back too, because I didn't see the one coming up behind me, but substitute camera guy did. And he probably saved my life. All right, here they go. It's about to be a bison jam. Oh, look, that guy over there is thinking about it. He's ready. I think they're all ready. I think I'm gonna back up. Are they going?
They're thinking about it.
Yeah.
Cautious. Good.
That guy is definitely thinking about it. Oh, there he goes. All right, it's on. It's crossing time. And these people are gonna try to drive through it. Yeah. Good job, people. Oh. There they go. They're coming down here. There you go. Pro tip: when bison get close, do not do this. See, we back away from them.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. People just keep getting closer, closer. All right, so a little bit of a introspective recap plus a little info on what's coming up. So I just got back from my whole birthday trip. My birthday was the end of July. I don't know when this is right now, but I suspect it's in August. At least as far as when this is going to go live and when I actually get done with it. The birthday trip started because I had to, just before my birthday, I had to go film some stuff for my production company for unrelated to this channel. And then I met up with my friends Jay and Alan, who both took Camera Lady's place for this trip and both did some of my work as substitute camera guys. So huge shout out to Alan and Jay. So they did a really great job, but I did not. I just, without Camera Lady there and without having a plan and just anything without her to keep me in check, I really just, I don't know what I filmed. I tried to film a lot and I kind of did, but then I also kind of didn't film like enough at the same time. You know, that's kind of strange, but that's how my life rolls sometimes. In that regard though, I did a poll on the YouTube channel a few days ago to see, because I filmed a lot, and someone mentioned that Steve Mathis just dropped a really long movie style YouTube video where he went to Yellowstone. And I know that that kind of stuff is kind of popular. YouTube pushes the longer videos, and I know that some people enjoy longer videos. But the poll, at least for you guys and my audience, definitely suggested, as far as my audience concerns, that's not true, because overwhelmingly you guys wanted short videos. So here we are. I'm trying to make sense of these short videos. I'm gonna cut it up into probably at least 3 videos. We'll see how that goes. One thing that really hit me though, like filming this stuff and being up there and then watching and editing this, was like, if you're a wildlife photographer, the Tetons and Yellowstone obviously are places you go for certain things. You know, the moose, the bear, the bison, those kind of things. But there's so much more stuff there, and I think that this is just some 2 cents from me. If you're a wildlife photographer and you do really enjoy wildlife, then don't overlook the little easy stuff. I mean, I can tell you what, I spent 6 hours trying to get a shot of a yellow warbler, and they're pretty common. You know, I mean, I have them down here in New Mexico, but it wasn't easy. I spent hours trying to get a shot of grouse and all this stuff. The point was that I did go there looking for this bigger, grander landscapes and wildlife and all that stuff, but like this first part of the trip, we really didn't see much, and I spent my time like chasing that warbling vireo. Like that was a huge highlight for me. I was so stoked to get that because I don't
I think we do have those. I think they do come through migration here, but I've never gotten a photo of one. So on a personal level, I was quite happy with that warbling vireo and a couple of the other little things like the red-naped sapsucker. I didn't even get a shot of it. I just got that crappy video clip, but I don't have those down here in the Gila, so I was very happy to see that. And then like the bison, you know, Yellowstone is definitely much better for bison, and there's bigger herds and there's better environment and all that stuff, but we stopped anyways, and I had a lot of fun just watching them here in the Tetons, and especially with those birds on their back and stuff. I only got one shot that I really liked from that whole session, and that was that one with the bird coming in and about to land on its back. So that was super cool. But yeah, that's the moral of this story, I guess, is if you really do enjoy wildlife photography, and also if you're always trying to get better, like, you can have goals in mind, you know, like especially in going to these places. I want to see a grizzly, I want to see a moose, I want to see bison, that kind of stuff. But when this little stuff pops up, like this tanager, I found this tanager in the visitor center parking lot of Jenny Lake, and there was like 1,000 people around me. It was insane. And this tanager was just going to town on this bug, and I happened to have my 500, and I scared a lot of people when I just, you know, brought my 500 up like that in the visitor center to shoot this bird, and everybody's like losing their minds, like, what is he photographing? And someone came up to me, is there an eagle in the tree? You know, all this kind of stuff. Like, it was hilarious. The look of disappointment on their face when I say it's a western tanager and they don't even know what that is. It's like this little bird. But I'm a wildlife photographer, and anything that flaps I love, you know, especially birds. Little chipmunks, marmots, squirrels, all that stuff. Like, if it's moving and I'm out there and I've got my big lens, I paid good money for that big lens, I'm gonna use it. Anyways, so that's just kind of my attitude. That's my thought process for this trip and for whenever I'm out anywhere. I just genuinely love watching, photographing, observing, and being in the presence of wildlife. And even if it's overlooked by a lot of people, but I do have some stuff coming up in the next couple of episodes that is definitely not overlooked wildlife, and I was pretty stoked to see that kind of stuff too and capture it. So be on the lookout for a couple more episodes, hopefully. All right, that's it for now. Moral of the story is just get out there, have fun, shoot anything that moves, don't pet the fluffy cows, and enjoy yourself. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.